What is going on, YouTube? It is a bit of a rainy day out.
What did you
And rainy days like this are perfect for ghost hunting. We're going to come back at nighttime. So don't worry your pretty little heads.
This time we're going to stick with the screaming and keep on following it. See what it is.
Follow it like the golden snitch in Harry Potter, bro.
Yeah, we ain't bouncing next. Last time we bounced, this time we're going in. We got fighters out there. We don't play with the ghosts, you say. Birdies in the morning. Dews in the morning. No weekday. The Lord will be the Lord that I will serve for you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The bomb.
The bomb? Oh, yeah. The bomb.
You do that too well.
I do.
Who here has seen Leprechaun Back to the Hood?
Leprechaun.
Or Leprechaun in the Hood.
What are you smoking on? That's the bomb? No. No, what the you smell of the aroma? That shit ain't. This is the bomb. Oh, yeah. The bomb. I watched it so many times, so I know how to do it. It's just something I got used to.
There was a baseball game going on here the other day.
Oh, yeah. Catching balls from the nets. Wall nets. Sack nets. So many things you can make it sexual towards a baseball field.
Yep. Look, signs of life.
Signs of earth, living, air, fire. I feel like I'm murderish. My friend that do your thing. Oh, remember that? You want to get to? Whoop.
Oh yeah, 1,000 Years of
That
Death.
shit made me laugh. She went, ooh, I was, what the fuck? That shit made me laugh my ass off. I laughed for 5 minutes.
So, if you're not familiar with Naruto, you won't know what we're talking about. But basically, someone 1,000 Years of Death to me.
You did it twice, too.
Did it twice.
Went,
It was funny though.
ooh. That noise, man, it was funny, but man, even more funny when it actually, like, ooh, it's like you like it, you like this, you're like this, nothing, you're like this, watch, ooh.
Do it again. Do it again.
You're like this, but ooh, my chest was like, ooh. That was hilarious. I'm still
Talk about a workout.
I'm sweating thinking about it.
I still feel his finger on my butthole.
You went in your bubble, didn't you?
A little bit.
Oh, you popped it.
It was wide enough.
Yeah, right. I've seen the abyss stuff.
I know you have. And yes, for cousins, not kissing cousins either.
No, not really cousins.
We just screw around a lot. Not like that. Not like that.
We're just funny. We make fun. We have fun. Make fun.
It's YouTube, John. We gotta keep them entertained, bro.
Exactly.
And yes, what we were saying is true. He can verify he's traumatized. What? And I feel so alive
9.
for the very first time. What was that little jig? You got a poop?
No, I'm saying 9.
Yeah. Yeah. Yulden.
Cuban.
No, I said Yulden.
Cuban.
Yeah, Yulden.
Oh, Rebel got that one. 9. was singing that to him this morning. I don't think you heard me, but
The what?
I was singing that to you.
Oh, you were?
Yeah. That's funny. I'm not so glad.
Nobody here but the workers.
Hey,
Very poor.
go over to the pavilion, right?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm doing what was the seats were?
Yep, we're going right to the playground, baby.
Okay. Good?
Yep.
Okay.
That seems to be the hot spot.
Oh, yeah. Last time we had screen there, remember
We
that?
narrowed it down, baby.
Those
So,
screens were crazy.
as beautiful as that part is, I think y'all have seen enough of the beautiful part. You want right to the action, right?
To believe, they needed to believe it.
You?
Make non-believers believers. There are lots of shells that are not alive, but are alive, not in person, not in human form. I look at something like that one, not in human form.
Yeah.
He's cool though.
Yeah.
You know the new content's coming out?
Huh?
The new content, the last one I think waited for a while. New content, that sounds this, but they're older.
Hey, Pennywise, you down there, bro?
Yo, float!
Give me a balloon. Give me
Want
a
a
balloon,
balloon?
motherfucker. I want a balloon.
Watch your boat. Now we get it. We got balloons. Oh, my dad told me not to go watch all the strangers. Come on, Georgie. Yo, float.
Shut the hell up.
Sound like him too, right?
I'm kidding. That was actually pretty good.
Yeah. I do voices like horror movies pretty good. The newer shit though. Like the older movies like Freddy, I can do Freddy a little more. You got the bodies. You know I got the brain.
Yeah.
I do pretty good. That was a warm up for Freddy though.
Yep.
Freddy is shit though. Scared the shit out of me when I was younger. But I still watch it as a younger.
Yeah, there's people here. Wonder if that bike is still here from last
Got your
time.
soul, bitch.
Welcome to prime time, bitch.
My world, bitch.
You know, Robert Englund's coming back to do Freddy for another movie.
Yeah, I think he's doing the series too.
One last time, he said.
And this series is supposed to come on too with Freddy.
Good on him for that, though.
Huh?
Good on him for that, though.
Yeah, right. At least he's doing that. At least that for us. And
He's doing it for the fans, bro. Like,
yeah, it's good. He's doing it for the fans.
Unfortunately, we're not getting any younger, bro.
Nope. We need to see the last one before we go.
We'll meet up with the legends, goats, and greats in heaven one day, bro.
We'll see Leatherface. We'll see everybody.
Yo,
Even the creepy ones, like with the killer crippers, like the fucking cannibals and shit. You see them too. You're like, what the fuck is this? This is a new world. Holy
yeah.
shit. Definitely.
Oh yeah, I feel it, man.
Oh yeah. Everything's on chest. Whew.
Something about this threshold.
Right here, it's just like, I know I'm at
The closer you get to it,
you feel
the
hot,
playground.
you feel hot and tingly. And instead of just like sitting in the chest. Trust me, I've seen a lot of things. Not there to seen, but feeling it, make it feel like you've seen it.
Yo,
Man, I had more messing around rapping in my old apartment. That ghost did not like rap. They smacked the wall behind me so hard I jumped through the roof. And what the fuck? Heard it by my ear. Boom! Holy shit! Oh, I think I'm not rapping in his apartment again. It was on Elm Street in Winston. Like,
that figures.
Go down that one. Or this one.
Oh yeah, we're going down to the same spot
Oh, yeah,
where we were
over there,
before. Where Will got pushed.
Yeah, that's crazy. But I kind of provoked them. So I wanted it that way so I could say something. Do something that I did too far. They fucked me even more.
And the rain is picking up just a little bit. That's what she said. Oh look, a doggy. over here, John.
Oh, yeah. Gotta change my mind.
You know what a rake looks like, right?
A rake?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Oh, you rake? Or actual rake?
Like the creature, the cryptid.
No.
No?
There are cryptids out there. I've never seen them. But it's very scary as fuck, though.
There's a cryptid here.
Oh, yeah. It was a Bigfoot kind of.
It's a rake.
He takes form. No.
I'll show you a picture after the video.
Is that like somebody like who has the horse legs with the human head?
I'll show you a picture after the video, bro.
That's the same thing, right?
You'll see.
So I'm doing something about skinwalkers. Skinwalkers.
Here we go.
You know about skinwalkers?
Yep, they're here too.
They have monsters. They have that, like that, legs of like a deer, the human arms and a head with horns. So crazy.
You ready, bro?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no lie, this place is really scary, and non-believers don't believe. Come on down and try to stay here at 11 o'clock at night when it's quiet.
Like we did.
No, I'm talking about them. And that what they haven't. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you haven't been here, and you want
to come here with Sam and Kobe would be amazing, bro.
Yeah, I'm talking years.
No, they're YouTubers.
What?
No, they're YouTubers.
Oh, I was talking about
We don't know them personally, dude.
I'm sorry, for prison stuff, not familiar with the names. I was thinking about my ex, Cody and what's his name?
Oh, Matt and Cody?
Yeah.
No, not them.
I went out with his sister a long time ago. If you know that.
I think so.
I did a long time ago. I was when I was fucking like.
Oh,
19.
Vicky. Yep,
Yeah,
that's right.
I dated her for a while.
Yep.
Stopped dating after a while.
We're talking about our old buddies, Matt and Cody, that we haven't seen in years. John got them confused. I'll have to show you Sam and Kobe.
Yeah.
All credit, well, you know, I wouldn't. Nah,
Get our devices wet.
I'm confused. The what?
You want to get our devices too wet?
No, we're good. I got worse shoes than you, buddy.
Devices, so we'll get our devices work.
Wow. You know, they say not to whistle because it's like a mating call or some type of call.
Yeah, they will call back to make sure you hear it too.
The rain just picked up as we did that.
Where are we going now? Here?
Nope.
All the way around?
We're going down here a little ways, and then we're going up the other way.
That way?
Nope.
This way?
We're going straight.
Oh. See you later. Sorry, bud.
You're good, bud. We are smoking Crown Menthol 100s. So for Father's Day, we cooked my dad burgers. What up, YouTube? It's your boy.
Where's what night? You like get like the what's it called, like the footage like it's in red.
Yo.
You get that on your phone. It's free. You do it on your main phone.
Yo.
Just go to your settings and set it up. I forgot how to do it, but I can get back to it. You know how to do it though.
The rain's starting to pick up a little bit.
Right, you can see it in red.
Oh, check this out, John. Oh. This is a pretty beautiful place despite the haunted activity. See anything, YouTube?
Yeah, get close to the graveyard one day. Or at least here.
Why do you think we're going this way?
Watch where the graveyard is.
I believe so.
We should look for it one day. Today or whatever.
Will knows where it is.
Big camp.
What is this, Fallout? Are we looking for bottle caps?
It looked like a piece of gold, like a round piece of gold.
Oh.
It's shiny, it was gold.
Was it garbage?
It was a cap, yeah.
Oh. We should have picked it up.
Yeah, I didn't think it.
It's alright though.
It's good when you do that. Woo! Big wings up the tree.
Right down this way, I believe. We are in uncharted territory right now, YouTube. Can't hear you, bud. The what?
Where's that lead to? Nothing? Or...
I guess we'll find out, won't we?
Oh, no.
Nothing but woods to our right, buddy.
Why you pissing me off, you son of a bitch?
Here, let's stop right here under this tree so you can smoke.
Can't, but I'll hear you years later. Sorry, bud.
You're good, baby.
Stuck in the rain.
My phone's getting pretty wet as well.
Yeah, we should. We want your film. We walk up there to be soaked, bud. Wait until it calms down and go up there.
Yep.